How to magnetize a screwdriver. I used some old baling wire and just wrapped it around a screwdriver and come up with this. Pretty much will fit on any screwdriver, any diameter, since this was what I originally wrapped it around. Okay, you can use a car battery, lawnmower battery. I like to use a charger or starter. You just need something with some amps. Take your screwdriver, nothing. Put it through the coil. Like so. Take your negative in, clamp it down, plug in charger or your battery. You don't have to plug it in. Okay, I set mine on high amps, probably about 50. And just touch it a couple times, that's all you need. There'll be some sparks. That should be good. Unplug it. Negative terminal off. And voila, you just made a magnet. Thank you, come again.